If I want to become product manager today, I wouldn't start with the certification. I build proof because interview don't test you what you know. They test you what you have actually done. So here's the 5 projects that I built to stand out. Project 1. First I do a Swiggy teardown. I will analyze what's working, what's frustrating, and how I can improve the experience. This shows product thinking. Second, I write a PRD for a new feature. For example, group ordering on Swiggy. In PRD, I'll define problem, solution, user stories, and success metrics. This shows execution is project third. I will analyze Instagram retention. And here's the 3 answers I would find out. Why users are coming back again and again? What are the retention loops? And finally, how could engagement can be improved? This shows product sense. Project 4. I will do a feature prioritization exercise. Imagine your team has 10 feature requests, but you only can build few. Which one would you choose? That I would use RISE framework to show my decision. That shows decision making. Project 5. And finally, I will build product metrics dashboard. I would track metrics like conversion, retention, revenues, and NPS. This shows analytics thinking. These 5 projects make you far interview ready rather than adding certification in your resume. Save this for your next PM interview.